A monster.
Where?
There? There? Oh wait, I don't know where.
Then let's look for him. Where is the monster?
Under the bed?
Where is the monster?
In the cupboard.
Where is the monster?
He's on the wall.
No, silly, there is no monster at all.
Vampire!
Where is the vampire?
In the cabinet.
Where is the vampire?
He's in the oven.
Where is the vampire?
Under the staircase.
Look at your face.
Minnie, I see a witch.
Where is the witch now?
She's in the cauldron.
Where is the witch then?
Behind the curtains.
Where is the witch?
In the attic.
Len, your mind is only playing tricks.
Skeleton!
Where is the skeleton? In the closet? Where is the skeleton? In the bathtub? Where is the skeleton? What do you see? A happy Halloween, Len!
Huh?
This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth in the middle of the night. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair in the middle of the night. This is the way we exercise, exercise, exercise. This is the way we exercise in the middle of the night. This is the way we high five, high five, high five. This is the way we high five in the middle of the night. Wow, a night party!
What did she say?
She asked us if we could join her for a broom ride.
Huh? No!
This is the way we dance all night, jump all night, dance all night. This is the way we jump all night in the middle of the night.
I'm a crazy loony witch, loony witch, loony witch. I'm a crazy loony witch, dancing all night.
Cool! These witches are cool!
Minnie, let's go home.
Five skeletons were cooking at a party. One brought the hot dogs and ate them all the way. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Stop eating hot dogs and go to the party.
Four skeletons were baking yummy pizza. One got the pizza and ate it all the way. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Stop eating pizzas.
Three skeletons were plating up some candies. One got the candies and ate them all the way. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
No more candy.
Two skeletons were dancing with the candies. One got the burgers and ate them all the way. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Where are the burgers?
One skeleton was walking with the cake. He threw the cake and all began to play. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Don't eat the cake.
This bus is super creepy.
I know! So cool! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The skeleton goes up and down, cracking his bones round and round. The skeleton goes up and down, all through the town.
Stop the bus, Minnie.
No! This is fun! The zombie goes wiggle, 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 wobble, 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 jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. The zombie goes wiggle, 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 all through the town.
What next?
A mummy! The mummy goes dance, 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 clap your hands, dance, dance, dance. The mummy goes dance, 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 all through the town. Huh? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Once upon a time, there lived a zombie.
Zombie had a little monster, little monster, little monster. Zombie had a little monster who's green and slimy too. And everywhere that zombie went, zombie went, zombie went. And everywhere that zombie went, the monster was to go. He followed him to the graveyard, the graveyard, the graveyard. He followed him to the graveyard in the middle of the night, where the skeletons left to dance, left to dance, left to dance. Where the skeletons left to dance under the bright moonlight. Zombie ate some candy sweets, candy sweets, candy sweets. Zombie ate some candy sweets and fed his monster too. They drank some healthy yellow juice, yellow juice, yellow juice. They drank some healthy yellow juice and then his monster burped. Zombie had a little monster, little monster, little monster. Zombie had a little monster who's green and slimy too.
Pumpkin, pumpkin sat on the wall. Pumpkin, pumpkin had a great fall. All the monsters and the skeletons couldn't put pumpkin together again. Pumpkin, pumpkin sat on the wall. Pumpkin, pumpkin had a great fall. All the monsters and the skeletons called the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern, lights of the night. Jack-o'-lantern is very bright. An orange face and eyes so green. He's here to light up Halloween. What happened? Why are you so sad?
Minnie, I lost a game of tennis.
Oh, that's okay. Come on, why don't you laugh a little?
But it's not funny.
Oh, it will be if you make a funny face.
A funny face? How do you do that?
I'll tell you.
Yay!
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Let us make funny faces, funny faces, funny faces. Let us make funny faces, funny, funny face. Raise your eyebrows, lift your chin, pout a little and then grin. Let us make funny faces, a funny, funny face. Let us make a happy face, a happy face, a happy face. Let us make a happy face and I feel so happy. Smile real sweet, give a grin, happy, happy eyes and a cute chin. This is when I'm happy, a happy, happy face. That's great, Len. Let us make a sad face, a sad face, a sad face. Let us make a sad face, a sad, sad face. Eyes droopy, give a pout, pucker your lips and stick them out. This is when I'm sad, I'm really, really sad. Let us make an angry face, an angry face, an angry face. Let us make an angry face, I'm very, very angry. Eyebrows raised, curled up high, teeth grinding and fists in the sky. This is when I'm angry. Oh wait, I don't know why. Let us make funny faces, silly faces, funny face. Silly, silly, funny faces, silly, funny face. Good job, Len. This is how you always keep laughing. And say, Teehee.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.